Coming in late on a rainy Tuesday here in the southeastern corridor of Jacksonville, Florida. Got BDS on the scene. We're plucking 6 trees today with a tight fit. I'll give you a little walk around, but stand by. As a reminder, folks, it's always bigger when it comes down. It didn't look like that much in the tree. It never does. Stand by. So again, this thing looked like just a little top in the tree out there, and look how tall it is. And this is a big home. Yeah, so taking up almost 2 driveway and a half. So when it's always in the tree, it's always much larger. So stand by, or I'll just walk you back. We got Shane up in the bucket today, doing a little rope-a-dope. Stand by or hold on. Alrighty. Little orange tree here, so got the lift, so we're plopping that one, a little tiny guy behind, 1 by the fence and 2 more back there. So we'll be here for a little while. Hi Shane! Shane! Say hello to YouTubes! Shane is not a social guy, but stand by. You guys know what to do. I got my safety vest on today. 985-259-3352, 904-891-8435. Thanks for watching.